Hello children, good morning. You're welcome once again to another exciting topic. Now I'm going to show you a chart. But before then, I'm going to ask some questions. How many of you have traveled before? How many of you have left your houses to visit your cousins, your aunties, your uncles, your grandparents? How many of you have been to the village? Now, how did you go? How did you go? Okay, you went by car, by buses, by flight, and so on. Okay, that brings us to the topic of today. Today we'll be looking at transportation under basic science. Transportation under basic science. I'm going to now show you the chart. Now look at this chart very well. What can you see? You can see an aeroplane, a boat, a ship, train, bicycle, tricycle, motorbike or motorcycles. Then you see some animals here. You see a donkey, elephant, horses. You see lorries, buses, and cars and all that. Okay, now what is transportation? Transportation here is a process of carrying people and goods from one place to another. Transportation is the process of carrying goods and people from one place to another. Now we have the ancient or old and modern means of transportation. We have the ancient and modern means of transportation. Now the ancient or old means of transportation. Ancient here means old. Ancient means old. Now, this type of transportation includes trekking. People carry goods on their head, they carry on their shoulders, some carry on their backs, some carry on their hands too, and trek. We have the wheelbarrow, bicycle, bullock carts, camel, horse, and donkey. And then the modern or new means of transportation include train, aeroplane, boat, ship, car, buses, motorcycle, tricycle, and lorries. Now let's look at means of transportation. How do some of all these buses and ship, how do they go? How do they fly? Now some go by air. Some go by air. An example is the aeroplane. Aeroplane flies in the air. Then we'll have the land and water. Motorcycle, bicycle, cars, lorries, and buses. They move on the land, while ship and boats move on the water. Now let's go to the importance of transportation. Number one, it is faster. Number two, movement is made easier. Number three, many goods can be transported at the same time. That brings us to the end of this topic for today. We'll stop here for now. See you some other time. Bye.